In a world full of people, there are those that are clean, and then there are those that are just plain nasty. Much of the sanitation is out of reach, but there is one important area of cleanliness that you can lend a helping hand with. Hand washing is necessary to keep good health because it helps to avoid the spread of germs and diseases. Here's the correct way to wash your hands.
Take note how this young gentleman properly washes his hands. Although you might not expect him to be the cleanest of people, looks can be quite deceiving. Observe his technique. In order to properly wash his hands, he uses toilet paper to turn on the faucet. Then he wets his hands with warm water, applies soap, and starts to lather. When scrubbing, he is sure to get the back of his wrists in between fingers. He does this for at least 20 seconds. Finally, after scrubbing, he takes off his hands, and once finished, he dries his hands with the air dryer. He then uses the toilet paper to turn off the water and open the door.
Now that was interesting. The male species actually being clean. Who would have thought? Now we'll compare this with someone who isn't so, as bright. Now that was utterly disgusting. Who knew that behind those looks lurked a real threat?
Hey! Hey! Oh, you smell good. Thanks.
Hey, how's it going?
What's up, dude?
Hand washing is a simple technique that can prevent the spread of diseases and illnesses. Hands should be washed before eating, before and after preparing food, after going to the restroom, after blowing your nose, sneezing or coughing, and after you help someone else with their hygiene. The use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers isn't as effective as hand washing because it doesn't kill all types of bacteria. But if necessary, to properly use hand sanitizers, you must go about the same manner as washing your hands. Allowing the hand sanitizer to completely dry is essential. Take the young man who just rubbed it off on his t-shirt. Little does he know that hand sanitizer did absolutely nothing.